We are Group 3 and not Dr. Adamson's class. I'm Chris Gillenwaters and I will be dropping the ball.
My name is Lindsay Dean and I'm the height expert in our group. I will be measuring from the ground to Chris's arm length.
Hi, I'm Hannah Hensel and I'm in charge of time.
I'm Jenny. I will do the calculations since I'm majoring in math.
I'll be explaining the experiment we're doing today. Our experiment has a question, and the question involves how height and time interact in order to affect an object's acceleration. We're going to be testing our question through the use of a soccer ball and a lacrosse ball. Chris Gillenwaters will be dropping these balls from 3 different heights in order to see how the acceleration is affected between the differing heights and times.
So our hypothesis is the acceleration will stay constant even though we drop the ball in different heights, and the time will increase and the height increases. So we will use the sim to convert the feet to meter, and then we will use the stopwatch to record the time in seconds. So from our research, we find out that the law of Newton's mechanics, the function would be x equal to the original position plus the changing position. So at this time, our initial velocity Vt would be 0, and then the position would be the height that we dropped from different place, so it would be h. And then since the original velocity is 0, so the v times t will be 0. The height would be 1/2 at squared. And from this function, we would know that 2h equal to at squared. Then the acceleration will be 2h divided by t squared. And by measuring the height and the time, we will calculate the acceleration. In conclusion, our hypothesis was proven, but that acceleration stays the same even as the height is increased, because as the height increases, the length of time that the ball drops increases as well. And acceleration stays the same at the same heights, even though we drop 2 different balls with 2 different masses. Some of the human errors that may have occurred during our experiment is that we didn't measure Chris's arm length every single time he dropped a different ball or the same ball during our test.
And that time might have also been affected because Hannah may have had a delay reaction to starting or stopping the stopwatch.